What's happening? My name is Nick Martinez, and I am so excited today to talk to you a little bit more about our Go Challenge. If you've ever wondered, how do the rewards plan work at Pruvit, or how do you get paid? This is it. If you master this, if you learn to do this yourself and learn to teach it to the people that you're helping get started in Pruvit, you're gonna be able to rank through our ranking systems. You're gonna be able to earn all of the different bonuses in our compensation plan. And as a result, you'll look like an expert in rewards, even though you just mastered this. So let me tell you, the most important part of Pruvit Rewards is what we're gonna go through here in the next minute. So the Go Challenge starts when you press the Go button in your cloud. You actually have 14 days from the time that you join as a promoter to press Go. If you don't push it, it will start in 14 days after you join, right? Once you press Go, it starts. And there's a few different pieces to it, right? We have Go Pro, we have Go MVP, and Go All-Star. We're gonna go through each of these in depth, but Go Pro is 14 days, MVP is 30 days, and Go All-Star, you have 120 days for it. So just think of it as you keep going, you keep going, you keep going. Now, after this is over, it's not like your business is done. It's not like you've arrived or it's completed. You've just built that great foundation and you get to keep moving forward. So there's a couple things that you get to keep doing after that. Number one, you get to help any promoter that you just got started go through this process. We're gonna talk a little bit about that as well. Also, you have the ability to multiply. And this is really, really fun. It's actually just kind of doing what you did to get started, which is Go MVP, and then helping those people do the same thing. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. Let's talk through the specifics of the Go Challenge in each of its parts. The first part, Go Pro, which remember starts once we press that Go button, is 14 days long, and in order to achieve it, you need to have 2 customers and 1,000 in team volume. 800 of that needs to come from your personal team. Now, once you hit this, you earn a $250 bonus plus 100 Pruvit bucks, plus you enhance some other rewards that we have in our rewards plan. So super, super awesome. Again, 2 customers, 1,000 in total team volume. 800 of that has to come from people that you've personally enrolled. The other 200 can come from your first 3 levels, anything that your promoters do in your first 3 levels. Now, the next step is MVP. MVP is 30 days long. You have to have a total of 4 customers, 2,000 in total team volume. 1,600 of that has to come from your personal team, meaning people that you've enrolled direct to you. Once you hit MVP, you get a $500 bonus in addition to all the rewards that you've earned in this process, plus you get 100 Pruvit bucks. And if you haven't already unlocked some of our rewards plan enhancements, you do so through hitting MVP, which is super awesome. Now, take these. If you don't hit Go Pro, you can still hit MVP. You just got to hit all of these totals. If you hit Go Pro, whatever you've done so far carries down to Go MVP. So it makes it really, really simple. Now, the next step is going All-Star. And going All-Star is just helping 5 people that you've personally enrolled go MVP. So you've already done it. Now it's helping them to do it. And in that process, you have 120 days to help 5 people hit MVP. And when you do that, you're considered Go All-Star. And when you hit Go All-Star, you get a $1,000 bonus and you unlock some other fun rewards in our rewards plan. And this is the Go Challenge, but it doesn't stop, right? It's not just a 120-day challenge that ends, right? So what's next? What happens after that? Well, you need to keep in mind, like the goal is to help everybody that comes in Go Pro, Go MVP, Go All-Star, Go Pro, Go MVP, Go All-Star. You're looking to help as many people as you possibly can hit Go All-Star. How do you do that? Well, it's by doing this yourself every single month. And guess what? Through our MVP multiplier, we actually have the ability to get rewarded with special bonuses just for doing this each month, which means go get those 2, or go get basically 4 customers, 2,000 in new volume, 1,600 of that from your personal team. If you do this each month, you're gonna get our MVP multiplier bonus, which is an extra $250. And if you do it 3 months in a row consecutively, they're gonna give you an extra $750 bonus. So this puts more money in your pocket every month for just following through and doing what you did when you started your business. This is gonna seed more new promoters that you're then gonna help go All-Star. Now, if you didn't catch all this, or if it seems a little bit confusing and it's like, don't worry about it, right? All you have to do is go log into your cloud, click on the rewards button, and everything is tracked and it's gamified. So it's really simple to follow. You'll see these green lines or orange lines. Put your cursor over it and it will tell you exactly how much you have and how much you need. So you don't need to worry about, well, how much is this one in BV or how much is that? It's all tracked for you. These are just the totals that you need. So if you take this to heart and you really focus on Go Pro, Go MVP, Go All-Star, helping other people go All-Star, guess what? Our rewards all start to light up, and our compensation plan, our rewards plan, will pay you really, really well into the future for the long term. If your goal here is just to make a few $100s a month, this is a great way to start. If your goal here is to create a lifestyle, to create a business that will sustain you and your family for years and years and years, if not generations to come, this is what you need to master. This is where you need to focus, because if you get comfortable with this and you start to share this with people around you and the promoters that you're working with, and they start to teach this, guess what? Your business will take on a life of its own, and you'll absolutely maximize our rewards plan. So with that, welcome to our community. If you're brand new, if you've been here for a while, I hope that this has helped you kind of get that focus and where you need to put your energy and your intention. Because guess what? The Go Challenge is how the Pruvit Rewards Plan flies and how it works. Have an amazing day.